Mr. President, I move that we consider proposed resolution number 142, resolution congratulating and commending the Jesus is Lord Church worldwide on the celebration of its 47th founding anniversary. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, consideration of proposed Senate Resolution 142 is in order. Secretary will read the title of the resolution without prejudice into inserting into the records the content of the resolution.
Resolution congratulating and commending the Jesus is Lord Church worldwide on the celebration of its 47th founding anniversary on October 18, 2025.
Mr. President, the main sponsor, Senator Francis Escudero, has asked me that to speed up the proceedings, that he had submitted to me the sponsorship speech to be inserted into the records.
All right. Hearing no objection, the sponsorship speech of Senator Escudero is inserted into the records.
May we also recognize Senator Bato de la Rosa to sponsor the measure.
Senator Ronald de la Rosa.
He also wishes that this speech be inserted into the records together with Senator Jingoy Estrada and myself, Mr. President. I have a prepared speech that we will insert it to the records. Well, and Senator Pia Cayetano, but let's recognize Senator Alan Cayetano, Mr. President, to also co-sponsor the measure.
All right. We will insert into the records the sponsoring speeches of the mentioned names of Majority Leader, but at this point,
thank you.
Senator Alan Cayetano is recognized. Yeah. The Minority Leader is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, in behalf of the minority, alam ko po marami tayong ite-take up today. Mr. President, as we greet the Jesus is Lord Church in its anniversary this year, it is a very special year. Bakit po? Because last year during their anniversary, not only did Brother Eddie Villanueva, but many different leaders from different Christian denominations in the Philippines, and if I'm not mistaken, Brother Joel, even from around the world, by faith uttered that they feel a revival is coming. And during this period from October last year to before the flood control scandal, many of those with gifts of prophecies were talking about the Philippines being rich, but because of many issues, poverty is present. In fact, in one small meeting that I attended, the description of a pastor was that there's a bowl, and then the bowl parang liquid gold or oil ang laman. Pero yung bowl pinagbubutasan, kaya nagli-leak. At ang nagbutas ng bowl ay ang mga dapat na mamahala sa bowl na yon or yung mga taga-gobyerno. I say this, Mr. President, because where the church is, there the country will go. One of the biblical teachings of many Christian denominations, including the JAL, is that Sodom and Gomorrah was destroyed not only because they sinned, but because when God looked for the church, was there a house of prayer? Was there at least 10 people? Wala po. So this year, as we greet the Jesus is Lord Church, we also greeted last year kasi nag 40 years po ang Victory at saka ang Every Nation at saka ang CCF. As we greet them a happy anniversary, we ask them to intercede for our nation, to penetrate all spheres of influence in business, in schools, the youth, the elderly, in hospitals, because truly our country needs not only the prayers, needs the hope, but also needs the leadership. At that point, maybe, Mr. President, hindi malayo na ipasok ko rin dito. Ang tingin ko po, yun ang kulang sa Independent Commission on Corruption. Bakit po walang religious leaders na nilagay doon? Obviously, we're not recommending JL or Brother Eddie, but there are many from the Muslims, the Catholics, Iglesia ni Cristo, from the evangelical churches. So as we greet JL, Mr. President, we're not only greeting them as one of the bigger groups in our country, but we are encouraging all churches to be part of the disruption that is happening in our country. The disruption that is now full of confusion, anger, and fear, but hopefully the disruption that will lead us to a true revival. So in behalf of the minority, we would like to wish Brother Eddie at lahat ng kapatiran na kasapi, hindi lang sa JL but sa Philippine for Jesus movement ng isang happy anniversary. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Yes.
To the minority
Majority
leader.
Leader.
Also, our colleagues request that their speeches be inserted. We have Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator J.V. Ejercito, as well as, I said mentioned earlier, Senator Pia Cayetano, as well as Senator Bongo, Christopher Bongo, as well as Senator Bam Aquino and Senator Robin Hood Padilla. As you know, Mr. President, the Jesus is Lord movement is well loved by many of the senators, and they spread the truth and gospel all over the world. I've had the opportunity to go to Hong Kong and be in one of the services together with our former Majority Leader, Senator Joel Villanueva, our seatmate, and it was really a sight to behold. And when you see their services, you are inspired. Really, Mr. President, when you get out of the room, you're inspired to be a better person. And I think that is what the Jesus is Lord movement stands for, Mr. President. It's trying to convert everyone to being a better person, as Christ-like as possible. So we congratulate them on their anniversary. Happy anniversary to the Jesus is Lord.